reducing the rate of infant mortality in our region. Hi, I'm Tonya Caruso. Welcome to Comcast Newsmakers. Joining us in our studios right now is Father Regis Ryan. He's a board member of Healthy Start Incorporated. Thank you, Father, for coming in and spending time with us today.
Thank you, Tonya. It's always pleasant to see you and to be here.
Well, you're involved in so many different things in the community. Healthy Start, very important to you. And let's begin by telling folks about this organization.
Healthy Start began a little over 20 years ago under the first President Bush, because many areas in the country, they were experiencing infant mortality rates that were astronomical. And Pittsburgh, unfortunately, has always been one of the worst by way of percentage of young children under the year one dying. And so under the President Bush's administration, they started this project, which I believe 15 sites around the country. Now there's hundreds of sites around the country that have expanded the program to. And the one here in Pittsburgh was one of the original sites, one of the original projects. And so for over 20 years, the folks at Healthy Start Incorporated have been working on the reduction of infant mortality and low birth weight births here in Allegheny County.
And so over these 20 years, have we been able to make any conclusions as to what was causing and what continues to be the cause of infant mortality?
You know, there's volumes written about that question, and of course there's speculation about smoking, there's speculation about lack of resources, there's speculation about lack of health care, but you know, they still come up with some many question marks about exactly why young kids die as they do. The sudden infant death syndrome has been reduced drastically by having the children sleep on their back without any covers or pillows around them. But still, there's a lot of debate, and there's still a lot of questions about the reason for infant mortality.
Yeah. Lots of questions, lots of resources, research, I should say, but also working in the community. And tell us a little bit about what Healthy Start does in communities, in homes.
Well, they created 6 areas originally in Allegheny County. Now they've expanded those areas to include much more of Allegheny County and also Fayette County. And they have what they call local consortia, where they invite community people, business leaders, politicians to come together on regular meetings in these community settings to talk about the conditions in the community and also the quality and the resources available from Healthy Start, to try to make that connection between the regional office, which is in Point Breeze, and all these areas that need the help that are scattered around the county.
And I know that there used to be a great disparity between African American, the rates of deaths among African American babies and infants and other ethnic groups.
Unfortunately, that's still the reality. Probably twice as many young African American babies die than do white children, Caucasian children in the area and around the country.
Right.
It's still very drastic.
So would you say, though, that progress is being made in this journey?
Here, you know, just knowing what I do from going to the board meetings at Healthy Start, the reduction in Allegheny County, the region, has been very impressive. I wouldn't say dramatic, but impressive, because the reduction rate has really improved, and the percentage of children dying has decreased. And it's still a challenge, but we still continue to work on it day by day.
Yeah, well, so important and such a big issue. And we thank you so much for your time, and thank you for coming in and talking with us today. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Tonya.
You're welcome. I'm Tonya Caruso. Thanks for watching Comcast Newsmakers. We'll see you next time.